Good morning, everyone. Ita American Nagaland tea campaign, tea growers campaign American suru hui jaise. Dimapur, Kohima pra pongchigena ita Mon district pongchi jaise. Ito campaign do district to district, village to village ina campaign kuri jabo. Tea growers kan ke busti pongchigena meeting kurubo, documentations kurubo, tea garden survey kono map kurubo, ena kona ID card. Tea board laga ID card to register gurna bonai dibo ena gorigena tati paisa laga benefit te hobi aro machinery equipment laga benefit te hobi training khan de hobi ena gona farmers tea growers khan laga Nagaland la small tea growers khan laga economy to uthabo campaign inega ekta ja ase etia farmers khan bi apni khan alag busti rakile bi ami khan ke contact kurigena Pisaria baji gurubi American Nagaland the best tea growing state tea producer state Darjeeling nishna Assam nishna etuke bhi bhal inega ola ole American sab konsis kuro American volunteers khan busti district e jam de American ge yete tate goi gena guide kurubi American sab ki kuro lage ase American guide kurina beras etia American Mon district ase Todok Mon district ase etia Todok Chingyu village chage na American tade activities kan ki hian sab kuri jawole ase. Hello everyone, etia Todok Chingyu ja ase American. I'm very thankful to the honorable MLA Mankhao sahab ke gari provide kudaba ta etu busti jawole karne etia jaigena tate laga tea growers khan etu khan logode meeting kurubo etu pichide ami enra tea garden do registered survey kurubo aro central government laga schemes khan benefit khan do tahan ge olagena benefit kor edibo ana planning ra ja ase just I'll keep on updating. Thank you. Itu Todok Chingyu busti ase yete pongchi jaise yete household do 400 plus household ase nega ko ase dangor busti ase eta do Todok Chingyu da meeting khatam hoise eta do field survey karne jabole ase yete farmers khan council khan na kon ba mili rakhi ase about dinner good is Musliman I'm very thankful. This is Todok Chingyu village. It has got more than 400 households. It's a very big village as per the Nagas, ways of calculating. Kitchen la kam sab kode ase